A very good morning to all the students of class 7. Dear students, I hope you people are in good health and taking care of yourself. The sentence of the day is never give up. I repeat, the sentence of the day is never give up. That means you should never give up. You should always try till you succeed, because success will be there when you will try. Okay, I Neela Seni, your SST teacher. We are continuing the chapter number 1, that is equality. I'll quickly recap what we have done in the previous session. Dear students, there was a housemaid named Kanti, who was standing in a queue. There is a story about her for the giving her vote. And in the same line where she works, that female was also standing. So she was very happy that there is no discrimination between rich and poor. But soon her this dream broke down. As when she was on the way home, she could not go home because her daughter was suffering for fever, but still she could not go home because she had to go to work, because she wanted to take advance from the female where she was working to get her daughter cured from the fever. But when she gets in the line to the hospital, she gets to know the difference between rich and poor still exists, because only the poor were standing in the line. Her daughter was crying because of the pain she was having, but still she could not break the line and take her daughter because of the differences between the economical status of her and her employer. So the Indian Constitution gives us the equality in only politics, not in social and economic status. Society में equality नहीं मिलती है, ना ही economically. There is another story of a Dalit boy, Om Prakash Valmiki, who wrote a book named Jhuthan, his autobiography. That Dalit boy was sent to school to study, but there he was being very much ill-treated by the teachers. The mat which every student used to sit, he was not given that mat. He sometimes sat on the door. He was being beaten by the teachers unnecessarily without any reason. He was being made to clean whole school and the ground. He was just in 4th standard, and the ground was so big that his back started paining because of cleaning of that ground. One day his father, this continued for several days. One day his father saw from the gate his small kid walking like this. So what his father did was he shouted and told the teachers that because of you other teachers, I am not taking any action. My son is there to study, not to do this work. So from that day his life changes. He was being made to study. But whether if his father has not taken this step, this would have continued with him. Second is the case of Mr. Ansari, Mr. and Mrs. Ansari, who wanted to have house on rent. They had no problem with the money, but the problem was the caste. Whenever the people heard about the caste, first apartment which they liked, when the people heard that they are of Ansari, then they used to say non-vegetarians could not stay here, whereas they could smell the fish. Fish smell was coming from the neighbor house. The property dealer and the Ansaris both were surprised to see that. Okay, how is it possible that when the smell is coming, second apartment, third apartment, like this they went on to so many apartments. But the story still continued. Then the property dealer gave them an advice to Ansaris that do change your caste and call yourself Mr. and Mrs. Kumar. Ansaris did not like their proposal. They did not like at all. They were against that. They told clearly, no, we would not change our dignity. This will break their dignity. They were very much shocked to see that they will not, after having money also, they were not getting house on rent. After so many trials, they get a place. So, what do you think? Equality is the condition in which adequate opportunities are given to all. It is the soul of Indian democracy. Indian democracy की soul है. In the democratic country like India, adult, irrespective of religion, caste, education, status or place of birth, are given the right to vote under universal adult franchising. And universal adult franchisee, I have told you, every person above the age of 18, irrespective of any caste, creed, color or sex, has right to cast their vote. Now, so after that comes the, does the equality exist? After listening to all these three stories, do you think the equality exists? In reality, the difference exists between the rich and the poor. The caste system is so rigid, Dalit in India and the minorities are denied in the right to dignity and equality. Equality in Indian democracy. Do you think equality is there in Indian democracy? The Indian constitution recognizes every person is equal. However, it does not meet that equality does not exist in India. First, that every person is equal before the law. What it means is that every person from the president of country to Kanta, the domestic worker, has to obey the same laws. Second, no person can be discriminated against or on the basis of their religion, race, caste, place of birth, or whether they are female or male. Third, every person has access to all public places, including playgrounds, hotels, shops, markets. All persons can use public availabilities, wells, roads, bath ghats. Fourth, untouchability has been abolished. Untouchability is totally abolished from our country. It does not exist now. Issue of equality on other democracies. Other democracies may be issues of equality हैं. In the USA, also the civil right movement of the 1960s restored the dignity of Afro-American basis of colors. Color basis पे जो difference किया जाता है, that is known as Afro-American basis on color. Equality is the soul of democracy. It influences all aspects of its functions. सारे aspects of functions को वो include करती है. In the democratic country like India, all adults, irrespective of what religion they belong to, how much educated they are, what caste they are of, whether they are rich or poor, are given the right to vote, which is called universal adult franchise. Now we'll quickly read on the issues of equality in democratic country. You have probably wondered whether India is the only democratic country in which there is inequality and whether the struggle for equality continues to exist. The truth is that the main democratic countries around the world, the issue of equality continues to be the key issue around which communities struggle. So, for example, in the United States of America, the African Americans whose ancestors were the slaves who were brought over from Africa continue to describe their lives today as largely unequal. This despite the fact that there was a movement in the late 1950s to push for right against equality rights to African American. Priority prior to their African American were treated extremely unequal in the United States and denied equality through laws. For example, when traveling by bus, they either had to sit at the back of the bus or get up from their seats whenever a white person wishes to sit. तो इनइक्वालिटी ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ इंडिया में ही है, इनइक्वालिटी और कंट्रीज में भी है. तो अब ये देख लो, अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन में कलर बेसिस पे इनको अनइक्वल बोला जाता है कि दे आर कलर वाइज दे आर नॉट इक्वल टू अस. In the United States of America, the African American were seriously discriminated against. They were considered to be the social inferiors in the later 1950s. They took place a movement known as the Civil Rights Movement for equal rights for African American rose parks because the leaders of the movement. The Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibited discrimination on the basis of the race, religion, or the national organs. The struggle of the recognition of all persons as equal and of their dignity should be maintained so that we may be hopefully for a society of equality. सबको equality मिल सके. अब ये जो कांता, a domestic worker, she had gone to vote. She is standing in a queue and is waiting for her turn to come. She is happy that she is equal to all of the other because of each of them lying up for vote. लेकिन equality यहाँ थी, लेकिन equality वहाँ कहाँ थी? When they were in the when she will take for the medical help, there she will not get the equality. तो equality होनी चाहिए हमारी वहाँ पर जहाँ पर कि we needed. And now the challenges of democracy. No country has been described as being completely democratic. There are always communities and individuals trying to expand the ideas of democracy and push for a great recognition of equality on existing as well as new issues. Certain to this is the struggle for the recognition of all persons as equal and for their dignity to be maintained. In this book, you have read about how the issues of equality affects various aspects of our daily lives in democratic India. As you read this chapter, think about whether the equality of all persons and their being able to maintain their dignity in upholding. So, dear students, now we have completed this chapter. Now we will be doing its glossary. The key terms. Universal adult franchisee. This is the very important aspect of democratic society. It means all adults, those who are 18 and above citizens, have the right to vote, irrespective of their social or economical background. Now I repeat, universal adult franchisee. This is very important aspect of democratic society. It means that all adults, those who are 18 and above citizens, have the right to vote irrespective of their society or economic background. Dignity. It refers to things of oneself and one person as worthy of respect. Dignity. It refers to thinking of oneself and other person as worthy of respect. Constitution. This is a democratic that lays down the basic rules and regulations for people and the government in the country to follow. I repeat, Constitution. This is the demo, this is a document that lays down the basic rules and regulations for people and the government in the country to follow. Civil rights movement, a movement that begins in USA in 1950s, in which African American people demands equal right and an end to racial discrimination. Equal right and end to racial discrimination. Civil rights movements, a movement that began in USA in 1950, in which African American people demanded equal right and an end to racial discrimination. So dear students, in this chapter we have done about the three stories about inequality. One is the Kanta, who is the domestic worker. Another, she goes to vote. Another is for the Dalit boy, that is the Om Prakash, who wrote Jhutan, the book on himself. Then the third one is Mr. and Mrs. Ansari, who were not getting the apartments and they were suffering from, because they were from different castes, so people did not get them the apartment. So that means right to vote does not mean socially and economically also equal. This was all about the first chapter, and you will be getting the question answers in the PDF. And the role of the government in the health is the same thing continuing. So we will be continuing this chapter in our another video. What is health we had already done. Private and public health sector will be continuing. Thank you and have a nice day.